when you have 370 odd runs to chase, there's not much plan. It's very clear that everyone has to play with intent and try, because it's big totals. You need to everyone to fire, and plus when in a good run rate as well, strike rate as well. Sorry. And obviously, when I was batting, we had to believe, and I genuinely felt that we could have done it. It's just that we lost important wickets at the wrong time. Shikhar got out. Shikhar and myself, we had a fantastic partnership. We could have built up from there and maybe had a better shot to get the total. But unfortunately, we lost wickets where I felt we were getting the rhythm. Yes, I'm working on my bowling. I'm gonna come at the right time when it's needed, and it genuinely does not make much difference because I believe in both skills which I do, and I like to back myself and have that confidence where whatever role is given to me, I try to fulfill at my bestest ability. And yeah, I mean, as a batter, then I start thinking as a batter. I try to take the game deep. I try to bat in a way where I can score more runs than what I'm used to. So it does not add much pressure, or it does not give me too much freedom. But I just that I'm enjoying being on the ground as a batter or as a cricketer. It's a process. I'm looking at a long term goal where I want to be. What do you call 100% of my bowling capacity for the most important games, which are the World Cups are coming, the most crucial series whenever it's required. But I'm thinking as long-term plan, not short-term plan, where I'll try to exhaust myself and maybe have something else which is not there. So it's going to be a process which I'm following. So I can't tell you exactly when I'm going to bowl, but the process is going on. I'm doing in the nets. I'm bowling. It's just that I'm not game ready, but I'm still bowling, and it's all about confidence, and the skill has to be at the international level. Yeah, that's been the question always, right? We have to find and maybe make. I always believe that uh, even when I came into the circuit, I was not always the all rounder which I wanted to be, but with time I groomed myself and became that bowling option. I worked on my bowling. I worked on my batting, and yeah, it's always going to be difficult when you go with five bowlers, because then if someone is having an off day, you don't have someone to fulfill. More than injury, it's about the six bowlers role is always about if someone is having a bad day from the five bowlers, they come and fill those overs, so the other guy gets more cushion. And I think it's gonna be maybe we'll have to make, or maybe we'll have to find someone who has already played India and groom them and find a way to make them play. Maybe we should look in the Pandya family only. There is one sitting home. Difficult तो obviously है, but I think as professional cricketers we think that we feel that this is the best opportunity, or we are actually lucky that we are able to play this sport. So I know 14 days, genuinely, if you ask me, it's very difficult because you don't know, you are not allowed to do lots of things which you are used to doing. So it has been difficult. We did, I think, 14 days for IPL. Prior to that, joining the IPL team, we had to do, I think, a week or 7 days there quarantine, then coming here and having quarantine here. I think difficult tha, but then luckily we got through with it, and I think we as players are just lucky. We feel the best way to go about this situation is that we feel that we are lucky that we are playing this sport right now. Whatever is happening, things are difficult in the world right now, but I think we are able to play the sport. That is the most important thing. फीलिंग थोड़ा डिफरेंट है, ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाते हैं सर। आपने भी मतलब ऑब्वियसली जब बच्चा होता है तो ऑटोमेटिक थोड़ा और काम होते हैं, यू थिंक अबाउट लाइफ इन अ डिफरेंट वे, and I think my perspective towards my family has changed. As a person I have changed, and I think the change has come for better. And या मिस कर रहा हूँ अभी जाने का, वेटिंग फॉर अभी जब 15 दिन का था उसको छोड़ के आया था, अभी 4 महीने का हो जाएगा जब वापस जाऊंगा। तो थिंग्स काफी चीजें चेंज हुई है, लेकिन बहुत बेहतर के लिए हुई है, और सबसे बेस्ट टाइम था लाइफ का।